The truth about fluency no one ever told you. If you've been trying to learn English for years and still can't speak fluently, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. The reason may surprise you. Fluency has almost nothing to do with learning grammar. Most learners spend years memorizing rules, tenses, structures, and exceptions, yet when it's time to speak, their mind becomes silent. Why? Because grammar trains your memory, but fluency is created in your brain's reactions, not in your memory. In this lesson, we're going to remove the pressure of grammar and show you how to speak naturally, confidently, and smoothly by focusing on the way your mind processes English. So, take a deep breath, let your shoulders relax, and allow this lesson to completely shift the way you think about speaking English. Why fluency has nothing to do with grammar. Fluency comes from your ability to think and respond in English, not from your ability to explain rules. You can memorize every tense, every formula, every exception, and still freeze when someone asks you a simple question. This happens because communication is emotional, automatic, and fast, while grammar is slow, logical, and academic. Real speaking happens inside seconds, long before you can even remember which tense you should use. That's why fluent speakers don't think about grammar at all while talking. They speak from instinct, memory, rhythm, and confidence. Once you understand that grammar is not the engine of fluency, your mind becomes free to learn in a more natural, human way. The problem with grammar-based learning. Grammar gives you information, but fluency requires transformation. When you study grammar, you learn about English, but you don't actually practice using English in a real-life mental flow. Many learners become trapped in the cycle of thinking, which tense, which rule, which structure? And this mental pressure blocks natural speaking. Instead of thinking in English, you start calculating English, and the moment your brain begins calculating, fluency collapses. Grammar is useful for writing and understanding, but it cannot teach your brain to react instantly. Speaking requires a different skill, the ability to think in simple English without hesitation. The moment the brain blocks speech. When you try to recall rules while speaking, your brain experiences friction. This friction creates hesitation, fear, pauses, and mental emptiness. You start a sentence but cannot finish it. You understand the words but cannot use them. This blockage isn't a lack of ability, it's simply your brain getting overwhelmed. The truth is, your brain doesn't want to analyze while speaking. It wants to express. It wants to react. And most importantly, it wants to stay relaxed. When your brain is relaxed, English flows. When it is stressed, English disappears. This is why removing grammar pressure instantly helps fluency grow. What fluent speakers really do. Fluent speakers don't think in rules, translations, or structures. Instead, they use patterns, rhythm, memory chunks, and familiar phrases. They rely on clear thoughts, not perfect grammar. Their brain works in a simple cycle: see, think, speak. They don't interrupt this cycle by thinking, is this the present perfect tense? Or should I use an auxiliary verb? They allow language to flow freely. This natural flow is available to every learner, even beginners, once you understand that fluency is built from patterns, not rules. The more familiar patterns you absorb, the easier speaking becomes. Why your mind must learn English like a child. Children don't learn grammar first. They learn sounds, reactions, simple ideas, and small patterns that connect naturally. They repeat what they hear until their brain builds mental shortcuts. Those shortcuts become fluent speaking. Adults can learn the same way by simplifying their English thoughts. When you stop focusing on correctness and start focusing on clarity, your brain finally has space to relax. And when it relaxes, it absorbs English faster. Fluency begins the moment English feels natural, not perfect. Children don't fear mistakes, and neither should you. The power of simple sentences. Simple, direct sentences are the secret doorway to fluency. When your mind learns to express ideas in short forms, like I'm thinking, I'm learning, or I need this, it becomes easier to build longer sentences later. Complexity grows from simplicity, not from rules. The more you practice simple thoughts, the more natural English feels inside your mind. Fluency isn't saying long, complicated sentences. Fluency is the ability to speak smoothly without stopping. And this always starts with simple thinking. How your brain builds English automatically. Your brain loves repetition. Not studying, not memorizing, but hearing and using familiar patterns repeatedly. These patterns slowly become automatic pathways, just like riding a bicycle or typing on a keyboard. You no longer think consciously, your body remembers. English can become the same when your brain builds these natural shortcuts. But this only happens when English is used frequently, gently, and without fear. The more patterns your mind absorbs, the more fluent you become naturally, without needing grammar. Why translation destroys fluency. When you translate in your mind, you disconnect from the flow of English. Your brain tries to convert ideas from your native language, and this process is slow and stressful. Translation is like running with a heavy weight. It slows you down until speaking becomes exhausting. But when you think directly in English, your brain reacts faster. Words come more naturally. Sentences form without pressure. Removing translation is one of the biggest steps toward fluency, and it begins with trusting simple English thoughts. Training your brain to think in English. Thinking in English doesn't require huge vocabulary or advanced grammar. It begins with replacing small daily thoughts with English ones. When you wake up, think, I'm awake. When you start working, think, I'm starting now. When you relax, think, I need a break. These small thoughts create a constant English presence in your mind. Over time, your brain begins choosing English before your native language. And once English becomes the first reaction, fluency becomes effortless. The role of listening in real fluency. Listening is the foundation of natural speaking because it builds instinct. When you listen to slow, clear English, your brain absorbs pronunciation, rhythm, patterns, and sentence flow without needing rules. It's the same way you learned your first language. Listening teaches your mind how English feels. Speaking then becomes a natural response to what your brain already understands. When your listening improves, your fluency improves automatically, even without speaking practice. Why confidence matters more than grammar. Most learners don't speak because they fear mistakes. But fluency is not the absence of mistakes. Fluency is the ability to continue speaking even when mistakes happen. A confident learner with imperfect grammar is always more fluent than a perfect learner who is afraid to talk. Confidence isn't a personality trait. It's a skill you build by speaking without pressure. When you allow English to flow freely, your voice becomes natural, steady, and expressive. Letting go of perfection. Perfection is the enemy of fluency. When you try to speak perfectly, you create stress. That stress blocks your brain. You stop, hesitate, think too much, and lose your rhythm. Fluency requires movement, not perfection. You must allow yourself to speak with mistakes and still continue. Mistakes are not failures. They are the steps that carry you toward natural speaking. When you embrace imperfection, fluency begins to grow like a calm wave. Building English through real-life context. Your brain learns best when English is connected to real life. Describing your day, your feelings, your routine, your actions. This is what builds true fluency. When English becomes part of your real experiences, your mind stops treating it like a school subject. It becomes alive. It becomes familiar. It becomes yours. And when language becomes personal, fluency becomes easy. Speaking without overthinking. Overthinking is the biggest barrier between you and fluency. When you analyze every word before you speak, your brain overloads and freezes. But when you trust your instinct and let your voice flow, speaking becomes smooth. The key is to keep your thoughts simple, your tone calm, and your pace slow. Fluency grows when your mind is relaxed, not when it's tense. Speaking should feel like breathing, gentle, natural, effortless. The simple method to become fluent without grammar. To speak English fluently without learning grammar, your mind must follow 3 principles. Think simply, listen deeply, and speak naturally. Replace overthinking with simple thoughts. Replace translation with direct English thinking. Replace fear with calm confidence. When you follow this method consistently, your brain builds the automatic pathways needed for real fluency. You don't need complicated rules. You need clarity, repetition, and calm practice. This is how fluency grows, not in classrooms, but in your mind. The FluentX way to natural English. You don't need grammar to speak fluently. You need simplicity, confidence, and calm daily English thinking. Use the ideas in this lesson every day and watch how your mind begins to choose English automatically. Thank you for learning with FluentX. Learn English fast and simple. I'll see you in the next lesson.